Bye bye. Range Rover. Oh, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Got him. Ryan, you're right. Headshot. Bye bye. They come in closer. They dead. I'll kill him between. Hey. Bye bye. You headshot. Bye bye. Hey, hey, hey! Andy! Bye bye! Ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Kết lâu. Bagi ni bak, come on. Kết lâu.
Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Thank you.
I got a flank left, guys. Don't ready fire me, please. Hit. Behind. You little cheeky. Same idea as me. Dead man not talking! Nice one! Bye bye! Headshot! Good job! I can hear pink! Hit! Hit! Nice one!
No show!
Oh, you know, Band?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to be here.
You're too far.
You can cross the road before it's clean. Matey, you cannot do that. What are you doing?
Why the pass the road? I thought they were meant
You can't pass the road before it's clear. Yeah, we can, they cannot. They need to clear the first line before they come here.
Can we still shoot them fullback from here then? There's a guy over there, black.
And we can shoot even them now.
Go on then.
You can't cross before it's clear.
Okay, so what's happening then?
See? I told them. And we should kill them straight away because we just revive here. That is just bullshit. I told him 3 times, he cannot shoot from here, he cannot cross the road, and he's still shooting.
still players in the trench network, and he still crossed the road.
Yeah, I told him, I just told him 5 minutes ago, and he's still fucking shooting people.
And I shot him in the shoulder, and then he went, nah.
Nah.
Bullshit. Yeah. Next to you! Oh yeah, oh now he take it. Nice call, good one. Matey, the second is not clear, you're not supposed to be there.
Sorry, man, cheers.
Bye bye.
Oh, hey.
Sorry! Yeah, baby. Bye bye. Bye bye.